Everybody. We are looking at how Microsoft works. So I have downloaded, this is the downloaded version. I'm in the home, and you'll notice across the top, these are templates. And what that means is these are pre-done pieces. So newsletters, birthday announcements, all kinds of fun things, resumes, flyers, anything you would want. So we'll be looking at that more as we go through the assignments. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to go into what Word looks like. The top piece is called the ribbon. And in the ribbon, this is everything you're going to need. So I was in File, and it allows me to do lots of things like save. But what I'm going to do right now is I'm in the home, and this is my assignment. On the bottom, I can increase or decrease what I'm seeing. I can change my font by highlighting whatever I would like. Come over here and pick something different. Okay, I don't know that that's the best one. So I'm going to come over here to this undo button, and it takes me back to what I had looked at. I can change my font size. That's also with the A and the A here. I can make it bigger. I can make it smaller. My color of my font, it's right here. All right, then we go over here and insert. I can put a blank page. I can insert a page break, pictures, all kinds of fun things, word art, headers and footers, links to either other assignments or places in the document or actually out to the internet. Draw. I don't do a lot with this, and we're not going to use it in this piece, but this is the drawing. The design, so that you can look how this is going to look. Now, obviously, a lot of our assignments are not going to need this. Paragraph spacing. Okay, I'm going to show you a different way as we go in how I like to use it. The layout. This is the orientation. This is probably the most important piece here. And you can change how it's either portrait or landscape. References. If you want to insert a table of contents, which is really nice when you're working with either some sort of a report, a long essay, a long project, whatever you're working on, that table of contents is really nice. Inserting your footnotes. If you have to do a research paper, you can create it in the style you want. This is set for APA. High schoolers, I'm going to say MLA, probably in college you're going to do APA. Heaven help you if you have to do Chicago, which is the footnotes. We're not going to have to do a lot with that. Mailings, I don't talk with at all in this. In fact, the only part I've ever used is the labels. To review, here's your spell check, which is your friend thesaurus. If you're struggling with the right word, word count is really nice. I can't tell you how important it's going to be for you if you do not have the correct word count, especially if you're doing scholarships. I was on a committee, and the rules were the essay had to be over 500 words and under 1,000. And we would do a word count, and if you were under or over, unfortunately, we threw that out. So sometimes that's really important. View, how is this going to look? And your help. The nice part about this is we can do a help. You can search here, and this is a great friend. A lot of times paragraph spacing is going to be here, things of that nature. So if you run into something you're unsure on, please come up here. All right. The auto save is up here, which is really nice. If the power goes off, if your computer crashes, whatever it is, if you have the auto save, you don't lose anything. I do want to show you, this is my cursor, this blinking. All right. This is called, you can see the I-beam. And when you click over the cursor, then you can start adding words in here or delete them. So that's an overview of what my